So what's up guys? Viral na viral itong si ate ngayon. Ang daming nagtatag sa akin, nagbe-mention sa akin dito sa Facebook or sa TikTok. And binasa ko yung comment section and may mga iilan doon or marami-rami din na nagdedebate na lip syncing lang daw ba to or legit talaga yung boses ni ate. So sabay-sabay nating pakinggan at panoorin guys. Okay, nag-mic check pa siya. Gulat ako dun ah. Si Carol Banawa ba yun? Ang soft ng high notes niya, yung pag-belt niya, very soft. And the control. Sobrang linis naman. Singer. Ang ganda ng belt niya, hindi masakit sa tenga. No? Talented. I have to admit, man, para kung nakikinig sa radyo, sobrang linis niya. It didn't sound like it was live at all. Ganun kalinis yung timbre ng boses niya, ganun kalinis yung pagkanta niya. The control, the softness, yung belt part, man, ang suwabe lang talaga. But I also have to admit na may mga parts doon na parang delayed yung video. Kaya siguro may mga taong nagsasabing lip sync. But I'll give her the benefit of the doubt. Kasi obviously yung camera siguro niya or video quality niya, no, it's not that high quality. So, I'll give her the benefit of the doubt if 100% talaga na siya yung kumanta, man. This is one of the best voices siguro or tone quality na narinig ko sa isang hindi sikat na singer. With this kind of quality, pwede siya maging recording artist. Yung boses niya parang pang OST ng mga teleserye. Ganun kalinis yung boses niya. Ate, good job. Good job. Very talented. Your tone quality is very special. What do you guys think? Is this lip syncing or not? Ako, I'll give her the benefit of the doubt. I think it's legit, no? Na-explain ko na sa inyo. But you tell me what you think.